Welcome to the art of capturing love in New York City. I'm Ash Fox. For over 13 years, I've dedicated myself to love stories of thousands of couples from across the globe. Now I'm inviting you to join me as we learn the ins and outs of capturing the essence of love and the soul of New York City. Over the course of 2 immersive days, you'll learn the art of photographing couples in love against the backdrop of New York's most iconic landmarks. From the majestic beauty of New York's parks to the electric energy of Times Square and its waterfronts, each location presents its own unique challenges and opportunities. We'll dive deep into the nuances of posing, mastering composition, and harnessing natural light to create timeless images that speak volumes. I'll also share invaluable lessons I've learned on building a successful photography business. So if you're ready to elevate your photography skills, train your artistic eye, and have a lot of fun in the process, join me for the art of capturing love in New York City. Together, let's fall in love with the magic of New York while creating art.